Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're going to be doing some beads. So let's go ahead and get rid of the default cube. We'll go ahead and change our EV to cycles, and then we'll go ahead and add in a cylinder. S for scale, bring it down. S for scale, bring it up as such, and then scale it down again, and we'll go with G. Go to the materials tab and just change this to black. Let's add in an icosphere. Go with new material, principal BSDF, and change this to glass BSDF. Turn down the roughness. S for scale, bring this down. Let's go with G, bring this up. I'm going to go Shift D. Then we can go 1. Select them both, Shift D, and go 2. Select all 4. Shift D and go 4 as such. We can go ahead with Shift D and go 4 again if that's something that you want to do, and then we can take this pole in the middle that we've made and just go ahead and elongate that. Press G, bring this up. I'm going to go ahead and select absolutely everything that we've just made. Shift D, 1 to the side. Go ahead and select everything again, Shift D, and you can go -2 here. Select everything again, -4. Shift D, -4. Shift D, -4. All you can do is Shift D, -4 again. Just as is. Now when we come to render, we should have these nice little glass kind of beads going on. I'm going to go ahead and change this to a sun. And then I'm going to go ahead and amend the background. Black. Actually, I'm going to go with white for this background. And then we can go ahead and position the camera as needed just here. So let's go view, and we'll add align view, align camera to active view. I'll just press G and bring this back. I think we may have doubled up on this one. But that's fine. So yeah, that's the tutorial. I will see you in the next one. Bye.